In this video, I'm going to show you how to find content ideas for social media. Where's the fresh content? You're building a business, you're building a brand, but you need fresh content to keep things going. Well, you're at the right place at the right time. So stay tuned. We're going to have some fun, and this is going to be very educational for you today. My name is Adam Shelton, and welcome to the channel. Welcome to the video today. Now, if this is your first time here, hit that red subscribe button right below this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is. Let's talk about it, and I'm going to show you how to find fresh content ideas on social media. Now, you have a business right now, or you just started a business and you want to grow your business on social media. Now, growing your business on social media requires content and value that you're offering to the marketplace, that you're offering a service, a product, but you need some good, fresh content ideas. You need a place or places to go to find that. And I'm going to show you a few places that you can find some really good content ideas. It can get your thing going, get your brain going. You can be like, well, I can do a content and value over this or this or this. And I'm going to go ahead and help you today. So let me show you my screen because I'm really excited to show you this because this can really change your business today. So let me show you my screen. I'm going to go right to simple Google. Go to Google. And the first place I'm thinking of is forums. Finding forums where people are asking questions that I can solve them by doing content over those questions. So core forums, Facebook groups are good places to start. So we're going to go to core. Let me go to core. And let's say our niche, look at this. Core is a place to gain and share knowledge. It's a platform to ask questions and connect with people. Now, what I was saying before, let me find my niche. So your niche is going to be fitness. Let's say it's fitness. It's a fitness niche. So we typed in fitness in the search box and check this out. I can do content over most of these questions. What is the best way to stay fit? You can do a video of different things you can do to stay fit from home. You can do a video of staying fit while you're at your job. You can do doing videos and staying fit while you're at the gym. So many different ways you can do that. So that's a really good question because look at this, 961 people are following this. So apparently people are following that because they want to stay fit. They want to know different ways of how I can stay fit. So let me find this. Why is fitness important? The next one. Why is fitness important? That's a really good content idea as well because fitness is very important to ourselves. It keeps us going. We gain much energy from that. We get excited from that. There's so many different things you can do on that. Why fitness is important? Well, it keeps you going, keeps your heart. It's so healthy. The doctors recommend it. So many different things of why fitness is important, and you can do that based on your niche. And here's another one. What are the best health and fitness related apps? You can have you could probably do a video based on that. You could probably do a whole campaign over that, like in terms of social media posting. You can actually do some studies over that and show them, okay, this is the studies that I shown all the fitness related apps, and here the percentage of people are going, and these are the results that these people are getting. So you can do content based on the best health and fitness apps. You can also say, here is, what is your daily fitness journey? You can do a video based on that. You do content over the fitness journey. You can do content over like when you first started out in fitness and where you were and where you are right now. And you can do interviews based on where people start and end. That's why I think this is really good. Can anybody share their fit journey? Their fat to fit journey. You can do an interview based on someone who just started working out and then they increase their progress over time and they lost so much weight. And that would be a really good story. It could be a good story, it could be an interview story. That's something you can definitely do. So this is where you can start. Go to Quora, type in your niche right here, and you can start getting some content ideas based off just one word, really. So Quora is another place you can go. Another place that I like to go would be Keywords Everywhere. It's a Google extension where basically will give you the where people are searching for. So if I go to Keywords Everywhere, which is already here. It's a Google extension plugin. And what happens is you end up finding information what people are looking for based on what I search here. So if let's say my niche is how to make French toast. I love French toast. I really do. But I'm in that niche about making French toast. And check it out. I'm trying to find content ideas. And look at this. The first three I would definitely look at: how to make French toast without vanilla. I'd be curious about that because when I make French toast, it usually involves vanilla. Yes, it does. So I'll be curious about that. Look at it. How to make French toast sticks. That's really good content as well because people are searching for that. And that's what Keywords Everywhere is. Basically, it's a area. It's a way of where people are searching for by you downloading from the Google extension plugin. So it's free to download and you can start searching the questions right here by how to make French toast. And look at this, 2400 volume, how to make French toast stick. You definitely need to do a video or some type of content producing result or campaign or value based on that particular question. And look at another question, how to make French toast without milk. I'd be curious about that as well. And people will probably, because they already telling you, they'll search for that. They're already searching for that. So do a video on YouTube about that because they're searching for that. And that's going to help build your audience. It's going to build your confidence. That's going to build your brand by doing videos what people are searching for. You actually do a couple of more. You can do how to make French toast without cinnamon. I really would be curious about that as well because when I think about French toast, I think about vanilla, milk, and of course cinnamon. I guess they may have something replace cinnamon. I'm not sure, but do content over that. Do your research. Do your research before you do the videos and find out what people are searching for and do videos or any type of content based on that. So that's number 2, Keywords Everywhere. Download them off the Google extension and get started by finding the good content ideas. And the next place is really a kind of a simple place. Is where I go sometime, actually I go a lot, is good old YouTube. So let me go to YouTube right now. And YouTube. So let's say my niche is affiliate marketing. Wow, right? Type in affiliate marketing and check this out. If I type in affiliate marketing, look at the places that people are searching for. Affiliate marketing for beginners. I probably would need to do something over that, right? I click on there and look at this. Look at all these things I can do it on. You know, how to get started as affiliate marketing, how to start as affiliate marketer. Look at this, 7 best affiliate marketing programs for beginners. See, those are a couple of videos that people have done, and I can learn from those videos and turn around and do content based on that. Pretty much by the views. Look at the view counts are all really high, and the search level is pretty decent. In terms of that, affiliate marketing for beginners, and you can start out with there. You can actually back off. Here's another trick I learned is you can do an asterisk. Affiliate marketing. And look at this. People are searching for that. Look at this. Affiliate marketing. Let's see this one. Affiliate marketing, period. Look at that. That's pretty hot. Affiliate marketing ClickBank. Check that out. You can do videos based on that. I can click on there and look at all these ClickBank ones. People are doing videos over ClickBank. So that's a good way. It's a fair assessment here. And you can do videos based off ClickBank affiliate marketing. Let's do one more niche here. Let's say my business is nursing. Good old nursing. We definitely have a lot of respect for nursing. And check this out. What's high on nursing is nursing schools. So if your business or your brand or you work in nursing, you could do a YouTube channel about nursing school. So let's say you are a nurse and you want to start doing things on stuff that you know about. You can talk about different types of nursing schools, the best nursing school, the worst nursing schools. Let me click on nursing school and what they're talking about. And look, they are 5 things I wish I knew before starting nursing school, just like we were talking about. Why should you know? What should you know before starting nursing school? So preparing you for that. You can do research of that. If that's your niche, you can do research over that and do the content. This is a good content idea. 9 things I wish I knew about nursing school. I'm saying these will get you some ideas. You don't have to copy word for word, but at least give you some ideas before you go ahead and start your content. So those are the couple of places you can definitely go. Let me go ahead and click here. Those are places you definitely can go and get things started and get things rolling because you always need to keep things fresh. You can always go to core forums, Facebook groups, and then you can also go to keywords everywhere, which I really like because you can literally find out where people are searching for based on the question I'm putting in the search box. And it's going to give me the volume levels of where and what are people searching for. And I can do content ideas based off that. And of course, YouTube/Google, because Google owns YouTube. And you can just type in the subject of your niche and you can find videos, you can find content of other people, and you can turn around and get fresh ideas off that content and turn around and do videos, do blog posts over that content. Well, my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this channel, but I got something special for you. Right below this video, if you're looking to grow your business off social media, especially Facebook, I have a course for you. This will help you turn your Facebook profile into a cash machine. This is very important because you can do content what I just talked about off this profile, and you can go ahead and start attracting customers to your business. I don't care if you're in nursing, affiliate marketing, hunting, fitness, health. You can do a Facebook profile or any type of profile on social media with this course, and it'll step by step teach you how to build your business organically from Facebook specifically. And we have a course for you because this is really good to grow your business to the next level. So click on the link below. It's my course. It is a course to help you grow your business. Click on social media. Click on that link to grow your business today. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for like, comment, and subscribing for this channel. And I can't wait to see you on the next video.